In this heat, we have Christian Hoover from Homewood-Flossmoor with the top seed. He's run a 158. We also have Connor Desert from Moline, Maki Moore from McHenry, John Hansen from Wheaton South, Trevor Nold from Oswego East, Ryan Fluke from Oswego East. From Neuqua Valley, we have Will Ackerman and Aiden Livingston. From Waubonsie, we have Trevor Bond and Spencer Bauman. From Mattia, we have Brandon McGath. From McHenry, we have Daniel Tunyon. And finally from Manuka, we have Michael Bazoo and Chris Dre.
There he goes. It's over. It's over. Put it on you.
We're going to need our exchange zone judges to please report to the exchange zones for the 4x200 relay. Exchange zones 1 and 3 are Neuqua Valley, Thornwood, and Hoffman Estates. And exchange zone 2 is going to be Homewood-Flossmoor. We're looking for 2 people from Flossmoor and a coach from South Elgin. As for the 4x2 exchange zones. Christian Hoover, they're closing in on him. Homewood-Flossmoor takes